1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello? Theodore, is it you?
I'm out here. Who's there?
Theodore, it's Sylvia. Sylvia Plath, remember?
What? Blah? You mean Olive's little girl Sherry?
You and Dad used to always call me by my nickname. Love you with it.
How are you and your brother doing?
Everyone's fine. It's his birthday tomorrow, actually. How are you doing?
Well, tempus fugit lempi. I'm fixing the building's little wounds here. What brought you here? I see you come prepared.
Well, there's a special painting I've been wanting to do for a while now, and I thought today was the perfect occasion.
Well, good luck. As you can see, it's burning hell out there.
Don't worry, I'll be fine. Take care.
I think I need a break. It was great seeing you, girl. You look beautiful.
You too, Theodore. Same smile, same eyes, even the same glasses. Wait, Theodore? Remember the riddle you used to tell me when I was a little girl?
Of course, how could I forget? I always run, I never walk. I have a mouth, I never talk. I have a bed, I never sleep. I can be shallow, I can be deep. What am I?
First step. Barefoot. I always paint barefoot. I feel the freedom I felt as a 7-year-old. I used to run around this rooftop hiding from my mum behind the chimneys. Meanwhile, my dad wrote and wrote until he stopped writing, he stopped thinking, and he stopped being. Second step. Alone. I've always preferred it. I've always taken advantage of it. I don't think it's possible to be this self-centered while having to think about someone else. And so, I started writing. I started thinking, and I started being. Third and last step. Sincere. Art has to be sincere. My only expression to you, Dad. And so, I stopped caring. I stopped feeling. And I stopped missing you. Daddy, I have to kill you. You died before I had time. Here where it pours being green over blue, I used to pray to recover you. But it's fine now. I understand. I always run, I never walk. I have a mouth, I never talk. I have a bed, I never sleep. I can be shallow, and I can be deep. I'm the river, but this river is flowing into the sea, where everything's truthful. Thank you, Theodore. Dying is an art, like everything else. I do it exceptionally well. I do it so it feels like hell. And I do it so it feels real. I guess you could say I have a call. Sincerely, Sylvia.